Hi, Big Poppa here, but you know that. Look, I'm making chili today, and I wanted to talk about it first and then go into some real frantic live action. There's certain things that I'm very precise about in cooking. In competition barbecue, everything's weighed and measured and weighed again in our timeline. And there's certain things that I believe are kind of more free-form and less disciplined. And one of those for me is chili. And so a lot of purists are gonna hate this chili I make today. That's okay, because I don't believe in a lot of rules for chili. Now today I'm not making my own chili powder because I got a last minute urge to cook the chili. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown some jalapeno and a red onion and two sweet onions, of which one I've got diced fine and one thick because I like both sizes in there. We're gonna saute the vegetables and we're gonna saute them with all the spices, and here's where I get wacky. White pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a couple chili powders, paprika, cumin, and I'm gonna mix it in while I saute the vegetables. I'm not gonna measure it. I'm gonna toss in there how I like it, how I want it to smell. When I get them nice, small, and translucent, I'm gonna pull them and then I'm gonna brown the meat with some cash cow. And I'm actually gonna use some 2 pounds of ground beef today. I'm gonna use about a half a pound of mild Italian ground sausage. That's when everyone's gonna start going crazy. I'm putting some bacon in there and I've got some pork. I'm using some Italian strained and crushed tomatoes and then some nice petitely diced tomatoes. It should be really fun, but the action's gonna be at the cooker when you're gonna watch me just throw caution to the wind. And guess what? It's gonna taste really good. So follow me. Here we go, Big Poppa's chili. Get a good amount of olive oil in there. Here comes the fun. Let that heat up just a little bit. Now we're gonna saute these, we're gonna season them, and then we're gonna remove them. And then we're gonna go to the beef. So here we go. See the different size onion in there I talked to you about? Now here comes the free-for-all, chili powder. Now I'm gonna stir this because it'll give me the idea of the color I'm gonna get. It's a lot, right? Not enough for me. That should be beautiful. Some paprika for color. It's already smelling like chili. Onion powder, garlic powder. Poppa, you've lost your mind. You're not measuring any of this. How's it gonna come out? Trust me. Cumin, important to me. Look at that. He has no idea what he's doing. It's called feel. It's called cooking by feel. Something that we need to do more often. You know, when you're grilling, you're cooking by feel if you don't have 10 probes in there. Now it's starting to smell really good, but I also might want just a dash more oil. Let's put a little ancho chili in there too, just because we're equal opportunity. Look at that. Now, we're gonna get these, like I said, nice and translucent. And there's gonna be a bloom off the seasoning here that's really gonna be great as far as tasting. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Let's scrape the bottom to keep it from burning. We're gonna put some oil on this in just a second. Okay, some oil in here. Okay, there's one of these. There's the intentional purist violator right there. Some Italian sausage. Here comes some more beef. We're gonna brown this, but guess what? I don't think I got enough beef. I'll take another half pound here. Cash cow. A little bit of Little Louie's. We're gonna deglaze this with a little beer, but I got all that goodness from the seasoning and the vegetables. I'm gonna keep browning and then come back to you guys. We're getting really close. Let's fold that bacon in there. Let's fold that pork. God, you gotta be crazy, Big Poppa. You're putting sausage, you're putting pork, you're putting bacon. Yeah, and I'm gonna make something that everyone's gonna be very happy with once they see it. Just cook it a little more and then I'll fold in the vegetables. Okay, looking at it bubbling up, stir it. Return to boil just for a second. Maybe do a little independent taste test. And now we're gonna lower it to low and cover it. I'm gonna serve the chili. It's gonna be kind of fun with a little cornbread and then got a couple surprises for you. Okay, let's assemble this chili. Here's my beautiful chili. Very pleased with it. I'm gonna do a little Mexican crema, some secret weapons, jalapenos, some onions, Oh, look how pretty this looks. Can't tell. Cheese around the edges. Almost done, but this is the fun part of presenting it. Then we have, just for a little even more fun, chili Fritos on top. There we go. Big Poppa's chili and cornbread. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Let's eat up. Bye.